So let's do this mighty riff by Bon Jovi. We're going to play the open D string, 14 on the G, 13 on the E, back to 14 on the G, and that picking pattern always stays the same, D, G, E, G. Then open D, 12G, 12E, back to 12G. Then open D, 10G, 10E, back to 10G. Open D, 9G, 8E, back to 9G. Then we've got the 5s, open D, 5G, 5E, back to 5G. And then open D, 4 on the G, 3 on the B, 4 on the G, and this is the tricky part. We're going to play the open D and the 4th fret on the G and slide back to the 2nd fret. And then play 1st fret on the E. So we've come from the 4 and the 3, our fingers can stay the same, just slide back 2 frets. And then we repeat that again. And then to finish it off, we play the open A string 2 times, 3rd fret, open D string, 3rd fret on the D, open. So let's try that slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. And up to speed. 1, 2, 3, 4.